Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming power and connectivity. Make sure the watch is at least half charged or on the charger, and that your iPhone is nearby with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active. Once satisfied, unlock the watch and press the digital crown to reach the home screen. Now tap Settings to start changing the display. You do this first to avoid interruptions and ensure new settings sync. It prevents failures during downloads or watch OS changes and prepares the device for visual adjustments. Now, in Display and Brightness, you'll adjust brightness and text size, slide brightness to a comfortable level, and try text size plus bold so information remains readable at a glance. If available, toggle always on or off depending on battery impact. Off saves power. On keeps complications visible. Use the watch preview to confirm changes on screen, and remember to test watch faces after adjustments to ensure complications scale correctly. These steps tune both aesthetics and efficiency, balancing. Finish by applying your changes and returning to the watch face to inspect how complications and widgets scale. Swipe and open several apps to confirm consistency. If the display stutters or a setting won't stick, restart the watch, power off then on, which often clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, reset display settings or install any pending watch OS updates because software fixes many display bugs. If still unresolved, contact Apple support, but usually a restart or update resolves display configuration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.